lamp lighting and oath taking ceremony of DMCB Nursing Institute. On dignitaries on the dais, respected our Dean, GK General Hospital, Gujarat Adani Institute of Medical Sciences, Dr. Gurudas Khilani sir, Nitin Sanghvi sir, Chairman of this, Founder Chairman of this institute, Dr. S.P. Kamal, Budia Madam, she was the principal of the Gujarat Nursing School at Civil Hospital Ahmedabad, the biggest hospital of the Asia, and Patidar sir, Vijay Bhai Mehta, Dr. Ambika Madam, and all the dignitaries on the dais, and Dr. Geeta Ben Vinzoda, principal of this GK General Hospital Nursing School. They were told by Darshana Ben and Dr. Kannar, CDHO of Kutch district. He has rightly said several things. Hardly anything remains for me to talk to you. But I am really delighted to see in a joyful manner and in a very disciplined manner, the proceedings are going on. And several times I have attended such type of these occasions in several institutions. And particularly, I am very happy that my friend Mahendra Morabia, he was only 1 year senior to me, and we have passed through the struggle. So I recall, of course, because of some of his personal and social reasons, he is not here. But Mahendra Morabia, who is the founding chairman of this institute, he has struggled a lot. And on those days, he stood first in chartered accountant, 8th in company secretary, become LLB at Vallabh Vidyanagar SP University. So first of all, and very noble profession of the nursing. So nursing is really, we are only been highlighted because of you. You people are just like on the non-striking end of these cricketers. No, this taking rounds, operating, doing dialysis and several things. But rest of the time, the nurses are taking care and giving education, counseling, knowledge, rehabilitation program, follow-up, several other medical situations where they are giving a lot of solace and reassurance to the patients. I really, from my bottom of the heart, I thank you all, and I really respect all the nursing staff and students as well. So learn this medical profession is really a noble profession, teaching and medical profession. So rightly said by Darshana Ben that you are dealing with the sick people. Sick people, even relatives are not interested. So you are really friend, philosopher, guide, and mother, parents and whatnot. So any disease, whether it is a trivial disease like any infectious disease or the chronic manageable diseases, nursing people, they are really taking care of the patients as a holistic, in the whole management. They will forget the name of the doctors, but they will always remember nurses. Am I right or wrong? So you have to develop the practical, you are given the time to develop the skill, and therefore the nurses are best in skill, whether it is giving intramuscular injection, intravenous injections, or dressing, or even for communication also, nurses are best. So today, I am really delighted to invite me in a very holy and very important occasion of lamp lighting and oath taking ceremony. I wish you all the best, and even in future also, wherever you will be posted, whether you will be going in the practical field. As you know, a lot of programs are going nowadays at taluka level or district level. All are based on the nurses. They are starting from the PSC or CSC at the nursing level, whether it is a TECO, whether it is infectious disease, whether it is a non-communicable disease like diabetes, hypertension. We are also running NPCDCS cell, that is non-communicable disease pertaining to hypertension, diabetes, coronary artery disease and all. At the same time, we are also combating infections. So whether it is hospital infection control, so wherever you are working in the primary, secondary or tertiary care, or some of you may be going for the teaching institutions also, or some of you may be going abroad also. Nurses are always respected and they are really working very hard. So again, once again, I respect all of you and all the best. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir, for your valuable and encouraging words. PhD is an abbreviation for Doctor of Philosophy, commonly called doctoral degree. It is the highest university degree that is conferred after a course of study by universities in most countries. PhD requires at least 4 years of study and extensive original research. Very few people in the state of Gujarat has completed her PhD degree in nursing. We are very proud to say that our principal Dr. Ambika ma'am is one of them. Nothing great will ever be achieved without great men, and men are only great if they are determined to do so. So now I would like to take an honor to invite Dr. Gurdas Khilnani sir, Dr. Budia ma'am, Dr. Shashikala ma'am to come forward to award our principal ma'am, Dr. Ambika, for completing her PhD program. Now I would like to request.
So Kutch University should take up our challenges and aspects of your future careers in studies. I say, I just remember of 1990, GNM program was also shortage of in Kutch. 88 and 90 we started GNM, that was like a desert for the nursing education. And after that, what we have seen the progress, GNM has continued in government system also, and also the other two, three institutions has enhanced their efforts to start the GNM program, and BMCB College of Nursing has initiated BSc program. That was challenge for them and for us also to start College of Nursing or BSc Nursing program in Kutch. There was no BSc programs in other districts, nowhere. So I remember those days, but I appreciate the efforts of BMCB College of Nursing and their trustees. What they have done, BSc, not only the BSc, but after that they have started Master of Nursing, and then we wanted to start PhD program for nursing, because those candidates who pass BSc, they expect to do MSc. Those who complete the MSc, they expect to do researches. To do researches, they have to pass PhD and qualify for the work. So for Ambika C, just we wanted to register her, and BMCB, I appreciate the attitude of BMCB Trust and their authorities that they allowed Ambika C to do PhD study as a part-time on the job. It is great because usually nobody will allow or nobody will enhance or nobody will support this type of studies. But they have supported, and one person has done PhD in Kutch, and it is in nursing. How it happened, you might not be, we have requested to Kutch University, but they said we cannot do allow PhD in nursing because there is no faculty and no department and like this. But now, BMCB has already launched MS in nursing, so university can allow us to start PhD part-time studies. Also, now we have the guide in PhD nursing, and if they need the support and help as a senior person, I will service honorary behalf of the BMCB for PhD studies. So I say those who are doing MScs must expect and must wish on goal, set the goal to start PhD. It is not the degree, earning the degree. When you do the PhD, your vision of nursing and thinking and practice and administration and service enhances a lot, and you master yourself and your work. So it increases efficiency of the person who is performing. And you all will need to do this, because if you are in administration or management or nursing practice or education, you must have at least minimum PhD. That is the last degree of education and last degree of nursing practice and nursing research. Because now research work is essential for any hospital. Now we are seeing varieties of hospitals, super specialty hospitals, private hospitals, cooperative sectors of hospitals, and health services in government setup also, enhancing and increasing. So to meet up the new ideas, new challenges, test new protocols, we need nursing research work. And nursing research work can be practiced and enhanced by PhD nursing. So I request university, I will request to record this much that it is essential now, and Kutch University may help us to register as a PhD course here now in the Kutch University, because we faced 8 semester, 4 years it was course Ambika C did, and it was at Chennai University. So frequently, each 6 monthly she has to go for report and presentation and submission. It was not easy task, and she will give her report that what was the study. Then you will get the idea that how much work was there in this study, and still and then taking the work to the Madras, Chennai University and getting approval and passing all. So with me, the co-guides, not only me was guide, but the 2 guides are there, Sasikala Ben and her faculty. They have helped a lot and cooperated, and for 8 semester, 8 reports and 1 to 3 visits of the Chennai, and we could get the PhD degree for Ambika C. So that I request now Kutch University and BMCB Institute initiate the PhD registration for candidates for the future. It is in all over Gujarat, if we see, still all over Gujarat, government and private sector lot. Up to BSc they are doing well, but for master and PhD degree, no, that remark cannot be given. Why? Because we need PhD candidates and having a shortage in all over Gujarat. And so, if we initiate here, we can also have a candidates applied to the Gujarat and other areas. Here in Kutch, if we look, only the one college, BMCB college, is running MSc program. Other institution, SKLP, Kutch Leva Patel Samaj also can start. And I say, why not in a government? They should initiate the BSc program and MSc program also. Because if we have our own staff, our own education system, then we can strengthen the hospital services, health sectors, primary health care and health sectors in government also. So we need PhDs to start at Kutch University, and it is to be supported by all of us. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Budia ma'am, for your valuable words. Nursing is one of the oldest and most respected profession in the world, and it will probably stay like this forever. As Budia ma'am has mentioned that the journey of PhD for Dr. Ambika ma'am was not easy. So now I would like to welcome Mrs. Ambika ma'am to share her experiences during her PhD program.
Good morning all respectful dignitaries, parents and all the students, current students and students of GK General School and all other faculties. Welcome to this lamplighting and award ceremony 2019-20, and my best wishes to all fresh students who enter in this profession. So ma'am told regarding my PhD award, yes, it is really toughest task after entering and doing in career, doing some job and side by side we have to do this means it's really toughest one. But it is possible because of Budia ma'am and my other two guides, Shashi ma'am and Kiran ma'am. Those who were motivated me, the initiated by Budia ma'am only, because I was also first think it is possible for me, I can do with all this responsibility. And Budia ma'am motivated me, you can do, you do this thing. Then I search where I can do. I don't want to do whatever university is there. I want to see some reputed university. So I searched Maher University, that is Meenakshi Academy of Higher Education and Research, Chennai. So I made enrollment of all my guide there. Then I did my first registration there, initial registration in 2014. So after that, I attended 2 exams there, aptitude exams and pre-PhD exams. So after my pre-PhD exam, 2015, I have completed and confirmed my registration. And here almost I want to say, Mahendra Moravia sir, our founder chairman of BMCB Charitable Trust, who has given full support and complete freedom to me to this PhD degree, and without his cooperation it is not at all possible. And I would like to say thank you to sir also in this moment, and our trustee members also, General Manager Pranav Bhai, he is also used to always follow, and he is also taken lots of interest in my PhD degree, will always follow me when you are going to get your degree. He has shown so much interest in my degree, PhD award. My topic is, I have chosen from protein energy malnutrition among under 5 children, and how much knowledge and practice the parents are having regarding the management and prevention of this protein energy malnutrition. Why I have taken this topic is, nowadays we can see all over world protein energy malnutrition is highly prevalent, and Kutch also it is there. If we are seeing the statistics and data, we can see, and I have searched lots of articles and newspapers, and it has published protein energy malnutrition is the highest problem, health problem all over the country, also in India, also in Kutch. So I have taken interest, and during this whole thesis study process, I got lots of new experience. I have visited so many villages in Kutch. I have seen different Anganwadis. I have seen different children who are affected with the PM, and what are all the care they are getting through the government programs, and how the parents are also taking interest. So these all the things, all the new experience I got, it was really good. And after that I have completed my data collections and all the statistics, and I submitted my final copy to the university. Then they have sent all the copies to the foreign evaluators and other different states also. Then finally they called me for the presentation, and in September 2019 I got my PhD award from Maher University, and my convocation also done on December 2nd. And so thank you all, and here I would like to say my hearty thanks to my family members, my kids and my parents who have supported, and I have taken their time also. Also my faculties and all my colleagues, my students, last but not least, all my students, those who are also cooperated, and they help to run the college whenever I am not present in the college. Thank you all. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am. The roots of all goodness lie in the soil of appreciation. Globalities have proved their talent in all streams, and to appreciate them for their hard work is our duty. Now, it's time to acknowledge the hard work and dedication of our rankers by beginning the prize distribution ceremony. Now, I would like to appraise our academic rank holders for their best services.
I request all the rank holders to come forward. I humbly request Dr. Good sir to come forward to award the students. Next, Ayati Punita for MSc first year, first rank. Next, BSc fourth year, Lobo Belita for the third place. Everybody please encourage the rankers. Next, I would like to request BSc Nursing third year, third place, Chavda Vinod Bhai. For the second place, Siju Shilpa. And for the first place, Shirazia Farhana. For the BSc second year, third place, Mezubin Khalifa. Talia. Thank you, sir. Now I request BSc second year, third place, Khalifa Mezbin. Second place, Mota Bhumi. And the first place, Nikita. BSc first year, third place, Lohar Ayman. Third place, Lohar Ayman. Second place, Koja Sherin. For the first place, Subra Usman. Thank you, sir. Now I request Dr. Mayur Pandya, sir. First place, Hetal. Please, everybody, please encourage the students. For the second place, Chauhan Neeral. For the first place, Rema Saira Banu. She was the last year. Next, GNM second year, third place, Jasmine. Second place, Hiren Bhai. First place, Wagila Jayesh Kumar. She was the first rank in the last year for the GNC, entire GNC, Gujarat Nursing Council examination, statewide. Thank you, sir. Next, I would like to request Narayan sir to come forward. Narayan Trivedi sir to come forward. Next, GNM first year, Vipul Kumar. For the third place. Second place, Shahina. For the first place, Pushpa Ben. Thank you, sir. Now I request Dr. Hitesh Shakina for second place. Thank you, sir. Now I request Dr. Kamal, second A&M for the third place, Humble Radha. Thank you, sir. Now I request Dr. Uriya ma'am, Ahir Nandini Ben. First place, Veera Pooja Ben. Talia, Talia. Thank you, ma'am. Now I request Dr. Shishkala ma'am to come forward. A&M first year for the first place, Janki Ben. There are the rank holders. We just want to award them and encourage them. From the BSc first year for the second place, Jigar Bhai, Waja Jigar Bhai. For the first place, Napum Chandresh. Thank you, Dr. Gurdas Kilani, sir. Thank you, Padilla, sir. Now we would like to invite Sri Nitin, sir, to come forward. BSc first year for the first place, Nakum Chandresh. First A&M for the second place, Kungla Nita. Thank you, sir. Now I would like to request Mr. Vivedi, sir, and Mrs. Gulshan Vivedi, ma'am, to come forward to award the students. For the GNM first year, first place, first A&M. For the second place, Shanti Ben. A&M first year for the second place, Shanti, Gujaria Shanti. And for the first place, Gagal Ramila. This academic year, third place, Garuda Mamta Ben. Gujarat Nursing Council, previous year examination. A&M first year for third place, Garuda Mamta Ben. For second place, Anju. Sindhi Raima Anju. A&M first year for second place.
brief about the college facilities and share the annual report with us.
Passed out successfully from A&M, GNM and BSc nursing courses. Most of them got government jobs, many of them are doing their master program. Few of our students migrated to abroad countries and some of them successfully completed registered nurse exam for their licenses. Currently we are educating 122 BSc nursing students, 126 GNM students and 39 A&M students and 18 MSc nursing students. We are having both hostelers and day scholar students. If you come for the infrastructure, total area of our educational campus is around 2 lakh square feet. Out of this total build-up area is 60,000 square feet. We are providing good and expanded infrastructure like good spacious and ventilated classroom with mounted LED, practical labs equipped with advanced instruments and the equipments, hygienic water, toilet facilities, separate common room for boys and girls, fully furnished faculty offices, playground, etc. We are having the labs like Foundations of Nursing, Community Health Nursing, Gynec and Pediatric Lab, AVS Lab, Anatomy Lab, Microbiology Lab and Nutrition Lab. Also we are having hostel facilities separately for boys and girls with facilities like recreation, indoor and outdoor games, balanced and hygienic food, etc. 24 hours transportation facility is provided to the students. Teaching facilities are, our institution has very good team of faculties to look after the academic and non-academic affairs with much collegiality and cooperation. We have 13 years experience principal, Dr. Ambika, MSc PhD in nursing. Senior faculty members from Adani Medical College are regularly visiting faculties here to provide medical classes, education to the nursing students. Our academic achievements are, we are proud to note that the academic achievements of our students. For the last academic year, our A&M BSc nursing students passed out with 100% of results and GNM students passed out with 98% of results. Our GNM student Rema Saira Banu Abbas stood first in Gujarat state in her second year GNM examination conducted by Gujarat Nursing Council during the academic year 2017-18 out of more than 55,000 students. Next, our BSc nursing student Shet Nikita stood overall first rank in all the BSc nursing exams and gold medalist for the academic year of 2014-19 examination. And next, our BSc nursing student Mesania Sakerabanu stood overall first rank in 4th year exams and gold medalist in the year of 2015-19 examination conducted by KSKV Kutch University. These achievements are mirror for our quality of education. It's a matter of great pride for our institution. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. As we express gratitude, we must never forget that the highest appreciation is not to utter words, but to live by them. Saying thank you is more than good manners. It is good spirituality. So now, I would like to call Trivedi sir for giving the vote of thanks.
Good morning to everyone. Before I say vote of thanks, firstly, I shall congratulate all the students for this auspicious occasion to present themselves, or rather, it was grace of the God that this pious profession was bestowed to you. Then coming to the last thing of, or the last chain of this program, which is vote of thanks. Here in the lamp lighting and oath ceremony of the 11th batch of BSc Nursing, 10th batch of DGNM and 8th batch of A&M students. This particular occasion was graced by the President of the ceremony, Dr. Darshana Bin Dholakia, I personally and on behalf of the trustees of my trust and my institute, we pay a very thankful grace to the madam that she made her presence here and she gave the full thought of words to our students to motivate and to take their job, to take their services at the highest level. उसके बाद मैं आभार प्रकट करूंगा यहाँ पर वास्तविकता में अभी इस समय उपस्थित नहीं है, फिर भी उनकी अनुपस्थिति में डॉक्टर तेजल सेठ, कंट्रोलर ऑफ एग्जामिनेशन एंड इंचार्ज रजिस्ट्रार कच्छ यूनिवर्सिटी, हम उनके बहुत आभारी हैं कि वो यहाँ पर आए और उन्होंने हमारे बच्चों को मोटिवेट किया। हम आभारी हैं कश्यप बूथ जी के, प्रेम कुमार कन्नड़ साहब के, जो कि CDMO और CDHO हैं कच्छ डिस्ट्रिक्ट के, हम उनके बहुत बहुत आभारी हैं। हम आभार प्रकट करते हैं डॉक्टर मयूर पंड्या साहब का, डॉक्टर गुरदास जी का, जिन्होंने इस ओकेजन पर आकर के हम सबको सम्मानित किया। इस ओकेजन पर अगर हम नाम ना लें या यूं कहिए, इस पर्टिकुलर नर्सिंग की नींव रखने वाली बेन जी का हम आभार प्रकट करते हैं। आप सभी नाम आगे से बता सकते हैं, बोल सकते हैं नाम? डॉक्टर वीरूबेन बुढ़िया जी का हम बहुत बहुत आभार प्रकट करते हैं। आपके द्वारा जिस वृक्ष का रोपण किया गया था वो वृक्ष आपको सामने खिलता हुआ दिख रहा है। मुझे लगता है इससे ज्यादा और किसी को खुशी नहीं होगी जितनी की वीरूबेन। हम आभार प्रकट करते हैं मुंबई से पधारे हुए हमारे मेहमान कच्छ कोऑपरेटिव बैंक के चेयरमैन श्री नेमी भाई का। ये हमारा बहुत ही सद्भाग्य है कि आप और एडवाइजर श्री त्रिवेदी जी हमारे बीच उपस्थित रहे। हमारे बच्चों का अहोभाग्य कि उनकी उपस्थिति हमको मिली। मैं आभार प्रकट करूंगा मेरे दोस्त डॉक्टर हितेश का, जो हर समय हमारे साथ रहते हैं। और वैसे तो इनको मैं ऐसे भी कह सकता हूँ तुम आभार के लायक नहीं हो, तुम तो हमेशा हमारे घर के हो, हमारी जरूरत नहीं है आभार की, पर फिर भी आपका बहुत बहुत आभारी हूँ। डॉक्टर कमल का, जिन्होंने इस ओकेजन पर आकर के अपनी उपस्थिति दर्ज कराई। डॉक्टर शशिकला मैडम का, जिन्होंने यहाँ पर उपस्थित होकर के हमारे बच्चों को मोटिवेट किया। उससे ज़्यादा उनका आभार करूँगा कि उन्होंने हमारी प्रिंसिपल की गाइड बन करके जो उनको आगे लाए, उसके लिए आपका बहुत बहुत आभार। मैं आभारी हूँ हमारे सभी नर्सिंग स्टाफ का, सभी बच्चों का, और बट नॉट लास्ट बट द लीस्ट अपने गुलशन में इनका तो आभार जरूर व्यक्त करूंगा, क्योंकि उनका अगर आभार व्यक्त नहीं किया तो शायद घर में रहना थोड़ा मुश्किल हो जाएगा। तो आपका भी बहुत बहुत आभार। इसी के साथ में यहाँ से समाप्त करता हूँ। धन्यवाद, धन्यवाद।
Thank you so much, Dwivedi sir, for your kind words. Now we have come across the end of this program. It's one way to show the respect on the country by singing the national anthem before closing of any program. Being the last part of this program, I would like to request all the gathering to take a stand for the national anthem. when we hear our national anthem raises our goosebumps is irreplaceably magical. Now, in very few minutes, we will proceed for our cultural program. So I request all the guests and the dignitaries to please take a seat down the desk.
આપનું સૌનું અહીંયા હાર્દિક સ્વાગત કરું છું. કોઈ પણ આપણો પ્રોગ્રામ છે એ કલ્ચરલ એક્ટિવિટી વગર હંમેશા અધૂરું કહેવાય. તો આપણે જઈ રહ્યા છીએ નેક્સ્ટ આપણા સેકન્ડ પાર્ટ કલ્ચરલ એક્ટિવિટી તરફ. એ પહેલા હું માનનીય આપણા આદરણીય એવા શ્રીમાનો મહેમાનોને સ્વાગત કરું છું. એમની માટે બે શબ્દો કહેવા માંગીશ. શબ્દ છે કંકુ ને શબ્દ છે ચોખા. શબ્દ છે કંકુ ને શબ્દ છે ચોખા. આપણે નથી એકબીજાથી જરા પણ નોખા. ક્યાંક અજવાસના પગલા પડ્યા આજ, ક્યાંક અજવાસના પગલા પડ્યા આજ, કે જાણે હૈયે હરખના હેલા ચડ્યા. સ્નેહથી સત્કાર કરવાને તમારો, સ્નેહથી સત્કાર કરવાને તમારો, પૂરા વિશ્વના પુષ્પો પણ આજે મને ઓછા પડ્યા. તો આપણી કલ્ચરલ એક્ટિવિટી પહેલા આપણી લાસ્ટ બેન્ચના યશ પટેલનો અનુભવ આપણે સાંભળીશું. પ્લીઝ વેલકમ યશ પટેલ, 4th BSc.
Respected chief guest, the guest of honors, our respected principal madam, faculty members, my classmates and my juniors. Today at the 11th oath ceremony of our college, I would like to say some words to my juniors. So please respectfully listen. First is oath. What is the oath? The oath, it means કે પ્રતિજ્ઞા, શપથ જે કહેવાય છે. પ્રતિજ્ઞા લીધા પછી એને નિભાવવાની હોય. Once you have taken the oath, then don't stop until you fulfill. Otherwise you fail as a human. Means કે જો તમે પ્રતિજ્ઞા લીધી અને એકવાર તમે એને નિભાવવામાં નિષ્ફળ રહ્યા તો તમે માણસ તરીકે નિષ્ફળ થયા છો. Next, what is the important in the nursing fields? Your knowledge, your attitude? No, that is knowledge is the secondary. The ethics and discipline is the most important in nursing field. मेरे गुरु ज्ञानवस्त्र स्वामी ने कहा है कि your intelligence and academic qualification can open any gate for you, but your values and ethics will keep the gate open. आप कितने भी टैलेंटेड हो, इंटेलिजेंट हो, तो आपको कोई भी दरवाजा खुल जाएगा, कहीं भी जॉब मिल जाएगी, लेकिन वो तभी खुला रहेगा कि अगर आपके एथिक्स में कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं आए तो. मतलब सिद्धांत के साथ कोई छेड़छाड़ नहीं करनी. हमने सुबह ही प्रार्थना की कि जीवन अंजलि था जो आपનો પ્રોફેશન પણ કંઈક એવો જ છે કે આપણે આપણું જીવન અર્પણ કરવાનું છે પેશન્ટ પ્રત્યે. હોસ્પિટલની અંદર if your parents also admitted, your brother, sister, friends, whatever admitted, but he should equal as the another patient. उसमें कोई भी हमें पार्शियलिटी नहीं करनी है. अगर हमने पार्शियलिटी की तो हमें बहुत सारी डिफिकल्टी का सामना करना पड़ सकता है. इसलिए मैं आपके साथ एक स्टोरी शेयर करूंगा कि गोल्डमैन सैक्स कंपनी के चेयरमैन थे मिस्टर रजत गुप्ता. उन्होंने एक दिन ऐसा हुआ कि दुनिया के सबसे अमीर आदमी थे उस वक्त वॉरेन बफेट. उन्होंने एक कंपनी में $1 बिलियन शेयर इन्वेस्ट किए. मतलब कल उनका मार्केट बढ़ जाएगा, जो शेयर होंगे वो भी बढ़ जाएंगे. तो रजत गुप्ता ने किया ऐसा कि उन्होंने एक कॉल किया अपने फ्रेंड को, इंफॉर्मेशन शेयर की, और उनकी 25 साल की पूरी कारकिर्दी इस गलती की वजह से नष्ट हो गई. तो हमें पार्शियलिटी नहीं करनी है. Next, then new start. Today you are going to start a new life. So I would like to say that creation and destruction are the two ends of the same moment, and everything between this is the life. कि creation and destruction वो एक same end है एक जगह के, और उसके बीच की जो जगह है वो है life. Next है insult. अगर ये बहुत प्रॉब्लम हो गया है, बहुत इंसल्ट होती है, मतलब आपकी भी इंसल्ट होगी इस प्रोफेशन में, क्योंकि ये बहुत प्रोफेशन बहुत कॉम्प्लिकेटेड है. सो यहाँ पे इंसल्ट का सबसे सही जवाब क्या होता है? सक्सेस इज द बेस्ट आंसर ऑफ इंसल्ट. कि सक्सेस ही इंसल्ट का सही जवाब हो सकता है. जैसे कि हमारे रतन टाटा ने लिया था फोर्ड की कंपनी से कि जब उनकी गाड़ी इंडिका फ्लॉप हो गई पूरी तरीके से तो वो फोर्ड को बेचने चले गए. तब बिल फोर्ड ने रतन टाटा से कहा कि यार तुम्हें गाड़ी चलानी नहीं है, गाड़ी धंधा करना ही कुछ नहीं आता, तो क्यों गाड़ी का धंधा तुमने शुरू किया? रतन टाटा ने उस वक्त उसे कुछ नहीं किया और उन्होंने गाड़ी नहीं बेची, कंपनी नहीं बेची और वापस इंडिया आ गए। और कुछ साल बाद ऐसा हुआ कि फोर्ड कंपनी के अंदर जो गाड़ियां थी लैंड रोवर और जगुआर, वो पूरी तरह से घाटे में चली गई और वो खरीदी हमारे रतन टाटा ने। तब उन्होंने बिल फोर्ड ने रतन टाटा से माफी मांगी और कहा कि आप ये कंपनी खरीद कर हम पर एहसान कर रहे हैं। नेक्स्ट इज द करंट वैल्यू। आपकी कोई वैल्यू, आप पीछे भूतकाल में क्या थे वो सब भूल जाइए। आपको 12th में कॉलेज परसेंट आए रही वो सब भूल जाइए। आप अभी एक बहुत अच्छे प्रोफेशन में हैं। यस्टरडे वाज द हिस्ट्री, टुमारो इज अ मिस्ट्री, टुडे इज द गिफ्ट ऑफ गॉड which is why it's called a present. Your future is depend on what you are today, so don't live in past and don't think about the future, because you past you live, you will only enjoy and future will tense you. So please don't live in present or don't live in past and future, live in present. What is the most important in nursing field? That is the speech and behavior. आप किस तरीके से सामने वाले से बात करते हैं, आपका बिहेवियर कैसा है, उस पर आपका सब डिपेंड करता है। Discipline is always better based than your knowledge. Next is don't underestimate yourself. क्योंकि रेत में पड़ी खांड को चींटी उठा सकती है, उस रेत में पड़ी खांड को हाथी नहीं उठा सकता। So please don't underestimate yourself. Next is in darkness only we can see the star. जब अंधेरा होता है तभी सितारे दिखाई देते हैं, वो सितारे दिन में कभी नहीं दिखाई देते। मतलब अंधेरे में ही सितारे खिलते हैं। नेक्स्ट इज नेवर कंप्लेन गॉड अबाउट द डिफिकल्टी, बिकॉज डायरेक्टर विल गिव द बेस्ट रोल टू हिज बेस्ट एक्टर। यहाँ पर डायरेक्टर मीन्स भगवान की बात कर रहा हूँ। अभी कंप्लेन की शिकायतें मत कीजिए, क्योंकि भगवान सबसे बेस्ट रोल अपने बेस्ट एक्टर को ही देता है। नेक्स्ट ग्रोथ। What is the growth and progress? Progress ये है कि आप फोर्थ ईयर पास करके कर दिया, वो प्रोग्रेस नहीं है। प्रोग्रेस ये है कि फोर्थ ईयर आपने कभी डिसिप्लिन में रहकर एथिक्स सिद्धांत को फॉलो करके पास किया है, तो तभी उसे आपने प्रोग्रेस कह सकते हैं, वरना वो तो सिर्फ ग्रोथ ही होता है। देन नेक्स्ट इज द साइड इफेक्ट्स ऑफ सोशल मीडिया। ये बहुत बड़ा प्रॉब्लम हो गया है यहाँ पे कि कुछ लोग 12 बजे तक, 1 बजे तक, 2 बजे तक ऑनलाइन रहते हैं। वो व्हाट्सएप सोने से पहले भी एक बार अपना व्हाट्सएप खोल के चेक कर लेते कि कुछ मैसेज आया है या नहीं आया। आपको क्या लगता है, आपको मोदी जी का मैसेज आने वाला है या अमित शाह का मैसेज आने वाला है सीए के खिलाफ, कि आपकी क्या राय है? सो प्लीज डोंट वेस्ट योर टाइम इन दिस स्टफ एंड बेस्ट ऑफ लक टू ऑल फ्रेशर्स। थैंक यू।
Good afternoon. Myself Chavan Guldeep Singh from 3rd year GNM. Thank you યશભાઈ કે તમે સારી એવી સ્પીચ આપી, અને સ્પેશિયલી થેન્ક્સ કે તમે હિન્દીમાં બોલે એટલે મને થોડી ખબર પડી। બસ બીએમસીબી વિશે એટલું જ કહીશ કે બ્રહ્માંડનું ભ્રમણ કરીને દીવ લઈને દીવ સુધી જાય ને તોય બીએમસીબી જેવી સ્કૂલ ના મળે એમ। એટલે જ એમ બોલવાનું મન થાય કે શીરાનું કાંઈ શાક ન થાય ને બીએમસીબીની કાંઈ વાત ન થાય।
સૌથી પહેલાં તો જે નવા સ્ટુડન્ટો દાખલ થયા છે આ શાળા કોલેજમાં, એમને હું કંઈક કહેવા માંગીશ। તમે એક એવી શાળા કોલેજ પરિવારનો ભાગ બનવા જઈ રહ્યા છો, એક એવા વિશાળ વટવૃક્ષનું નાનકડું પણ બનવા જઈ રહ્યા છો, જે દિવસે ને દિવસે ક્ષણે ને ક્ષણે ફૂલતો ને ફાલતો રહેશે, ઉગતો રહેશે અને કચ્છ તથા આપણા પ્રોફેશનને હરિયાળી છાપ હંમેશા આપતો રહેશે। હવે આપણે પોતાના કલ્ચરલ એક્ટિવિટીના ફર્સ્ટ પ્રોગ્રામ તરફ દાખલ થઈ રહ્યા છે। ફર્સ્ટ ડાન્સ લઈને આવી રહ્યા છે ફર્સ્ટ જીએનએમ ગર્લ્સ શુભા, માનસી એન્ડ ગ્રુપ।
सारी सारी रात सारी सारी रात छुप छुप के मुझे देखा तू मैंने सारी सारी रात सारी सारी रात जाने मुझको अगर साथ तेरा तो मैं सारा सोगा तारा चबीला तारा रंगीला तारा
ફિટિંગ ના આવે એટલે આપણે પછી એવા નહીં.
અરે ખરા ગરબાવાસીને કપડાની શું જરૂર છે? જે કપડા હોય પહેરીને ગાવા મળવાનું.
લે,
શું કહેવું મિત્રો તમારું? ખરો ગુજરાતી તો એ જ કહેવાય જેને ગરબા સાંભળીને પગ થિરકવા માંડે. ખરું કે નહીં?
વાહ મેડમ વાહ. મારી આંખમાં તો આંસુ આવી ગયા મેડમ. આ છોકરા છોકરી વિશે શું કહ્યું મેડમ? નવી નવી કોલેજમાં લાઈફ હોય, છોકરાઓ છોકરી મળે ને એવું તમને કઈ?
આપણને ભાઈ એક્સપિરિયન્સ નથી. તારો કાંઈ હોય તો કહી શકે વાલે તું.
મને તો બધાય ગમે મેડમ, હું કોઈને પસંદ નથી ને. ને હવે શું હોય મેડમ ખબર, નવું હોય ને તો છોકરાને છોકરીને કાંઈ હોય જ નહીં એમ. એના ભાઈબંધોની પંપ મારે જો ઓલી તારી સામે જો હોય. એટલે મારા ભાઈબંધી એમ થયું એકવાર મેડમ, બધાએ કીધું જો તારી સામે જોવે ઓલો એ પછી એક દિવસ મસ્ત લુગડા બુગડા પહેરી સેન્ટ બેન્ટ છાતી મેકઅપમાં ગયો તો દાઢી કરાવી પછી કે ગાર્ડનમાં મળીશ તો કે હા
પછી શું થયું?
છામમાં
હજી તો ચાલુ તું બહુ ધીમો ભાઈ, તારું કાંઈ ના થાય કુલિયા, કાંઈ ના થાય. શું કહેવું?
ખાસે પછી એ લોકો છે ને મેડમ ગાર્ડનમાં મળવા ગયા તો ઓલી જોઈને એને રોઈ પડી મેડમ.
ના હોય.
ના શું હોય, રોઈ પડી એટલે હાથમાં આમ આંસુનો દરિયો ભરાઈ ગયો. પછી કે રોજ શું કરો, મેં ક્યાં તને કાંઈ કીધું? ઓલી શું બોલી ખબર છે મેડમ?
શું?
એ કે એટલે જોઉં છું તને કે મારે પણ તારા જેવો ભાઈ હોત તો.
સત્યાનાશ, બિચારા તારી તો ઈચ્છાઓ અધૂરી રહી ગઈ.
ઓ મને તો
કુલિયા.
એમ લાગે મેડમ હું વાંઢો મરી જઈશ. તો હા મેડમ શું કહેતા હતા?
હવે આપણે આગળ વધીશું. મને લાગે છે કે બધા આપણી બકવાસ સાંભળીને કંટાળ્યા હશે.
સાચી વાત છે.
હા કે ના?
આ પણ જો તો આપણે બકવાસ કે આપણે તો એમને મેકઅપ ને પાવડર કરી આવે ને.
તો પછી ફર્સ્ટ યરની ગર્લ્સે જે સુપર ડાન્સ કર્યો છે એનાથી ધીમે ધીમે મસ્ત સુવાસ છવાઈ ગઈ છે. હવે આપણે નેક્સ્ટ બોલાવીશું દેશ રંગીલા સેકન્ડ એએનએમ રિટાયર્ડ ગ્રુપ સોરી.
ભારત છવાઈ ગયું આખા નહીં મેડમ?
આપણે ભારતમાં જઈએ તો બધે ભારત જ છવાયેલું હશે ને ભાઈ.
હું તો ઓસ્ટ્રેલિયાનો હું મને ના ખબર હોય આ બધું.
તું ક્યાંનો છે આજથી સુધી કોઈને ખબર નથી પડી.
એ સાચી વાત. મારા આધાર કાર્ડમાં એડ્રેસ નથી મેડમ.
અરે રે
આ તો સારું આમ સ્ટેજ જ તોડી નાખતા હતા. અંબુજા સિમેન્ટથી બનેલું એટલે બચી ગયું મેડમ.
એ ભાઈ કેવું પડે હો.
ઈ જ ને. તો એક મેડમ મેં છે ને કવિતા લખી છે, હું સંભળાવું તમને?
અરે એકવારે ના પાડીશ તો તું માનવાનો તો છે ને, તું ક્લાસમાં નથી માનતો તો અહીંયા શું માનવાનો છે?
બધા સામે તો ઇજ્જત ના ઉતારો મેડમ.
થોડી તો જવાની વાલા.
સારું મેડમ જુઓ કે બીએ બીકોમ તો સૌ કરે, એકવાર નર્સિંગ કરીને તો જુઓ. ડાન્સ પાર્ટી ને નાટક તો સૌ કરે, એકવાર ઇન્જેક્શન આપીને તો જુઓ. અઠવાડિયે કોલેજ તો બધાય જાય, નર્સિંગમાં એક દિવસ રજા પાડીને તો જુઓ. જીન્સ શર્ટ અને સાડી તો સૌ પહેરે, એકવાર એપ્રોન પહેરીને તો જુઓ. ગાર્ડન સિનેમા ને હોટલમાં તો બધાય જાય, એકવાર કમ્યુનિટીમાં જુઓ તો ખરી કેમ લેવાય. કોલેજના પ્રોફેસરની તો સૌ કોઈ સાંભળે, એકવાર સાયકાટ્રિક દર્દીનું સાંભળીને તો જુઓ. હલો મેડમ તમારી વારી.